The Yoruba Obas Summit is organized by the Yoruba Coucil Worldwide. Addressing journalists at the press conference in Ile-Ife, Osun State, the group global president, Are Azan, stated that the summit will, among other things, address issues bordering on the autonomy, duties, and entitlement of traditional institutions in the nation's political system. The summit, according to him, will further avail relevant stakeholders the opportunity to dialogue on the unity, peace, and security in Yoruba land and the nation at large.
This summit will bring together all leading technocrats, government functionaries, royal fathers, politicians, religious leaders, youth, women, and all well-meaning Yoruba people to taking this opportunity to discuss our unity, to resolve on how best our Obas' rights will be protected by the government, whereby 15% derivation from federation account will be provided from the federation account to the traditional institutions across the country, whereby we'll be demanding for the establishment of the Federal Ministry of Chieftaincy and Traditional Affairs under the present administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to see the need to work hand in hand with all traditional institutions across the country.
He added that the one-day event, scheduled to hold in November this year at the Elegushi Palace in Ikate, Lekki, Lagos, is designed to set a pace for traditional institutions in other regions across the country.
To us in Yoruba land, we believe this will serve as a podium to be translated across all other regions of this country to emulate what we are about to host, so that along the line, the interest of land and the unbearable Land Use Act will be abolished and replaced, whereby traditional institutions, being the presiding authority over all land within their domain, will be protected.
Are Azan further added that the group has secured full endorsement of relevant institutions in hosting the summit.
We are happy to show that we have received the endorsement of the Lagos State government for the hosting of this all-important summit in Lagos State. This is also to show to the whole world that His Imperial Majesty Kabiyesi Ooni Risha have in his wisdom endorsed this program and invited all of us in Yoruba land to be in attendance. And this is also to show that the Federal Ministry of Art, Culture and Creative Economy have equally given us the backing to go ahead to hosting this all-important summit. We believe this summit is a festival of kings where issues of mutual discussion will be raised, promotion of our art and culture and exhibition of our principle and Omoluabi to be promoted, and it's also going to serve as an avenue to appreciate our leading royal fathers with the prestigious Monarch Award. We believe they are well deserving of our respect, and we are well good subject to our Obas.